What if I told you that over 400,000 traders just got wiped out in the biggest crypto liquidation event in 2 years? The crypto market is experiencing a $1.7 billion liquidation tsunami as Bitcoin crashes below 112K and ASTER's parabolic run finally meets reality. This is Crypto Pulse, and you need to understand what's happening right now. Welcome to Crypto Pulse. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital. If you're watching this, you're about to get the critical intelligence you need during this market-wide deleveraging event that's shaking the entire crypto ecosystem. Let's break down exactly what's happening. What we're witnessing is nothing short of a crypto apocalypse. Over 404,000 traders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours, representing $1.7 billion in forced selling. This is the biggest liquidation event we've seen since March, and it's sending shockwaves through the entire market. Bitcoin has crashed below the critical 112K support level, while Ethereum is testing that psychological $4,000 barrier that could determine our direction for weeks to come. But what triggered this cascade? The market darling ASTER has finally had its reality check, crashing 13.6% from its parabolic highs. This wasn't just any correction, it was a concentrated whale exit. Our analysis shows 96% of ASTER's supply is held by just 6 wallets, and when they started taking profits, it triggered a cascade effect across the entire derivatives sector. The derivatives mindshare has collapsed 38% from cycle highs as this profit-taking wave spread throughout the market. But here's where it gets really interesting. BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes just dumped his entire hype position, citing catastrophic unlock pressure starting November 29th. Hayes isn't just taking profits. He's sounding the alarm about $11.9 billion in team tokens unlocking over the next 24 months. That's potentially $410 million in monthly selling pressure that even the buyback programs can only absorb 17% of. Smart money is positioning ahead of these events, not reacting to them after they happen. While the derivatives sector is crashing, we're seeing a fascinating rotation into quality infrastructure. L1 protocols are holding strong at 15.55% mindshare, up 1.62%, while AI protocols are absolutely surging plus 187% during this chaos. This is a classic flight to quality, smart money rotating from speculation to proven utility during market stress. When everyone's panicking, institutional capital is quietly positioning for the next wave. The next 48 hours are absolutely critical. Bitcoin is testing that 112K support level, and if it breaks, we could see a cascade down to 108K. Ethereum is approaching the psychological $4,000 level, which represents a critical test for the entire market's confidence. But you might be asking, is this the end of the bull market or a healthy deleveraging before the next leg up? History shows us something fascinating. Massive liquidation events like this one have historically created major bottoms after clearing out over-leveraged positions. This isn't the end. It's the market's way of resetting for sustainable growth. While $1.7 billion in forced selling creates short-term pain, it's actually cleaning out the excessive leverage that prevents healthy price discovery. Here's what you need to monitor over the next 48-72 hours. BTC's 112K support level. Hold or break will determine short-term direction. ETH's critical $4,000 psychological level. AI protocol momentum. Continuation could signal rotation acceleration. Derivatives funding rates. Turning positive would indicate deleveraging completion. The great deleveraging has arrived with nuclear force, but remember, this is how markets mature. ASTER's reality check doesn't kill innovation. It kills excessive leverage. Historically, these washouts mark major bottoms after clearing weak hands. The question is whether you'll be positioned for the recovery when it comes. If you found this market intelligence valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay ahead of these critical market movements. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on whether this deleveraging marks the bottom or signals deeper correction ahead. This is Alex from Moonward Capital's Crypto Pulse, delivering the critical intelligence you need twice daily. Stay ahead of the crowd.